If you're on the market for picking up a home dimmer switch set that allows you to use either Alexa, your Apple HomeKit, or your Google Assistant to turn on or off your lights, then consider picking up the Lutron Caseta Smart Home Dimmer Switch. Today we're going to be reviewing this product, actually several products of theirs, that allows you to easily automate how your lights go on and off using voice control. One of the reasons why I decided to pick up and change all my dimmer switches to the Lutron Caseta Home Dimmer Switch set is because it allows you to easily not only dim your lights, but it also allows you to be able to use your smart devices like Alexa or your Google Assistant or even your Apple HomeKit to turn on and off your lights. What I like about these is this one is the one dimmer switch. This is the two dimmer switch, the 2-pack that you can get. And this allows you to be able to multiply control various different lighting that you have. I also have the 3-pack as well to be able to control several different lights in my kitchen. What I like about it is the fact that it's sleek and you don't really have to touch the buttons at all. And in the event you did want to actually touch any buttons, it does come with a remote as well. So in case you didn't want to touch the buttons on the switches, you can use the remote control, or you can easily use voice control as well, like I just did to turn off the lights. What I also like about it is the fact it has these little green lights, as you can see on the left hand side, to let you know when the lights are on or when the lights are off as well. So you have many different options to be able to see how the lights are automatically on or off depending on how you program it using Alexa, Apple HomeKit, or your Google Assistant. What I also like about it is the fact that you can also control this using your TV, your phone, or any other device as well. This one allows you to turn on, turn off. It also allows you to dim or brighten the lights. So these are perfect for the kitchen, for the bathroom, for the family room. I pretty much have this all over my home, which makes my life a lot easier so that when I'm about to go to bed, all I need to do is give my commands and all the lights are shut off. These allow you to easily replace your existing switches in 3 steps. There are no neutral wires required. And the fact that you could again use even your Siri device, but you would need a smart bridge required to be able to do that. This comes in white, ivory, light almond, and also black. What you're seeing is in white. And as I mentioned before, this one allows you to easily either manually turn on, dim on and off your lights, or to use your Google Assistant, Alexa, or your Apple HomeKit to turn it on and off. So again, you can easily turn that on and off with your hands, or you can just use your voice control. What I also did was I paired this up with a few other automation systems which allow me to be able to have the lights turn on and off automatically depending on a sensor. So there are many options when it comes to automating how your lights go on and off, even in the closet, by the way. If you're looking for a way to easily automate how your lights go on and off throughout your home, then consider picking up this product. Hope this was helpful in making your purchasing decision.